Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Android version and which dialer app you use. This matters because menus differ. Once done, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu or long press the call icon to reveal customization options. Make sure you've granted contacts and phone permissions, otherwise the customization entry may be hidden. You're beginning the change now, so don't navigate away. Stay in the dialer settings while we locate the call button controls. Next, you navigate deeper. Go to Settings inside the phone app, then choose Call Settings or Accessibility depending on your device because manufacturers place options differently. Once inside, find Button, Layout, or Interface Customization and select it. This is where you edit the call button's appearance and action. You can change the icon, swap the primary/secondary buttons, or modify behavior like single versus long press. Take your time. Finally, apply and save your changes, then fully close and restart the phone app so the UI refreshes. This step ensures new settings load correctly. Make a quick test call to verify the icon, position, and long press behavior work as you intended. If the new button doesn't appear or acts oddly, clear the dialer app cache, force stop, or revert to default layout and try again. These troubleshooting steps fix most UI conflicts. If needed, reinstall or update the dialer to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.